We're on the Gulf Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi. We came down to go to Keeslar Air Force Base for my grandson's graduation. It's going to be a beautiful day, I hope. Well, after stepping outside, it might not be such a beautiful day. It looks like we fixed to get a little rough weather. Now the water's kind of white capping out there. Anyway, we on Front Beach Road. Holiday Inn, Biloxi, Mississippi. It's gonna be a long day, graduation. Hello, Louisiana. We're getting there. Pearl River Wildlife Management. These people up here on the right, parked down in it. You see, you could be coming up on them right there. They're crawfishing. They're going back into that swamp and crawfishing. Now going across the Pearl River. That's the East Pearl. Beautiful. That's swamp. My grandfather, the one I'm named after, lived out there for years, back in the early 30s, 1920s and 30s.
Honey Island Swamp.
He stayed out there in that Honey Island Swamp and trapped for a living for years. We're not the oldest one that's making a road trip. I'm not sure who they are, but they must be making money. They got a nice rig there. Way off in the distance. It's so hard to see out there, but way out there is the Hollywood Casino. And this is Bay St. Louis. Beautiful. An old town, beautiful town. We fixed to cross the Bay St. Louis Bridge. When this bridge first was built, back in, I'm guessing, back in the late 50s or early 50s, it was a toll bridge. The toll booth is actually where we at right about now. And then after a period of time, it's hard to believe anybody would stop free money coming in, but Mississippi took the toll booth down and now it's free to cross. And it is really overcast today. I mean, it's really overcast. But they got some beautiful homes down there. Some very expensive homes too. There he goes. I think he's gonna go airborne. He did. He did. Ooh, I think he lost his kite. No, he managed to hang on to it. That is really nice. I'd like to try that. At first I thought they were flying a kite. But apparently he's trying to ride a kite. That is something. That's one of them right there. There's another one. I'm having to film this out the car. The wind's blowing so hard out there you can't see or hear anything. But they're really having a ball up and down that water out there. On the way home, we stopped at the Island View to get the buffet. Total cost for two of us was $30. And people, the food is really unreal. You can't beat it. That's right on the Gulf of America in Gulfport, Mississippi. Before all of my people get upset about me saying the Gulf of America, I didn't name it. I'm just having to claim it. After the graduation, we're on our way home from Biloxi, traveling along beside the Gulf of America. Now, if that don't raise some eyebrows, nothing won't. Looks like all these fences making, oh Lord, trying to film the planes, but they got a steel fence between us and them. And that's what you see. It looks like I'm in jail.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, they're on their way to class. Oh, you're on a military base, and this is what you see. There are definitely recruits, no doubt about that.
And she stood there and waited for him.